You like that pump, don't you?
I always seem to end up here, eh?
Mm-hmm.
It's the only place I get pumped.
You're getting pumped every time you pull that trigger. I'm just going to fuel up down the road. Have you downloaded the app yet? No.
No. I've done the BP one.
Yeah, but what garage are we in?
Shell.
Doing now.
Just 70 mile per hour.
Oh, hi everyone! Hi!
Is that it?
You're on the Honda all week, eh?
Oh, it's warm, eh?
Aye. Aye, it's warm. 22 degrees the bike says.
I've got 20.
22. So it's round about that figure, eh? Well, we just say 21. We'll just split the hairs at 21. Brake lights galore. Oh, what's happening here? It's never normally queued up like this. Back to here on a Saturday. Dacia Sandero. That's what I was working on one of them this morning.
It looked just like any other car, didn't it?
Aye, but they're cheap.
I'll tell you what, I've never seen so many L drivers with bikes.
Aye, well, it's good to see them though. Good to see them taking it up, eh?
Absolutely.
Morning or afternoon. No, it's good to see them taking it up, so long as they progress onto a bigger bike, eh?
I think most of them would too, eh?
Because I think this, that CBT, I think that's just a con, eh? It should be harder, I think, because the amount of these scooter riders you see delivering like Just Eats, Uber Eats and Deliveroo and all the crackpots, they can't ride worth a sook. No, ride with their legs hanging down. Hi. Hi there. Hello. Hi. Hello.
Where's my flag looking?
Looks good, but it's covering the BMC logo. I'm not impressed with that.
Maybe it's on the right hand side.
Aye, that's where your BMC logo is. But no, it looks good. Is that your neck, Chief?
Aye.
Oh, I've got mine around my neck. Eh? Hi.
I've got my GS one on mine.
Have you? I've got my Union neck, Chief on.
I keep looking for the Suzuki ones, but I've not seen them yet.
I've got a Suzuki one.
Got one?
Alright.
It's got a bit quieter, eh?
Aye, it's here, aye. During the week, this is absolutely ramadama-ding-donged. It's actually been not too bad the last couple of weeks, obviously with the school hollybobs, eh? Hi.
Hello? Hola!
Hola. Oh my goodness. Have a look at that.
The frickin' hell's going on now?
Just a Saturday. Right to the end, Alexander, and then we'll go up the middle.
I'm going to get through here.
Right.
No. Through this one.
You've got a friend.
See, he follows us.
You got a friend. Mr. Tranny's drifting a bit. He's moved over now. Thank you, Mr. Tranny. Thank you. Roof tent melt. You are a melt. Another roof tent melt, eh? Is the van no big enough? You got to sleep on the roof? You're dafty. Look at the traffic in the opposite direction, eh? This is terrible.
That's sick.
I tell you, like, with each passing week, I just want to get away from the central belt. Thanks, pal. He's letting me through. Cheers, pal. Brake lights ahead.
The brake for anything.
Aye, the brake for fresh air. They're fresh air breakers. I'm a fresh air breaker.
That's pretty clear, isn't it?
Aye, it will be till we get to Gilmerton. When we get to Gilmerton Junction, it will be a ramadama ding dong, as you can see ahead. But if you want to be clever, you could come off at the Gilmerton Junction, and then we can go through Esk Bank and White Craig. Take it you're not coming off here.
What else?
Aye.
Aye.
Aye, well, let's come off. Just save sitting and all that rubbish. I'll take the lead. We didn't be looking at my bum. There is another roof box melt. I'm the outdoor type. Bollocks. A wee change coming this way.
See?
This will bring us up into Esk Bank.
Just get to the borders and
It's up to you.
we can.
I'll go down the east coast, down by the sand dunes and that,
Aye, go on down. See the water.
Aye. Down to the seaside. That building on the left there, Morrison's, that used to be Dalkeith Depot, the bus depot.
Is it?
Aye. Cracking big depot, like. I never ever worked out yet, but I've been in it God knows how many times on courses and dropping buses off and all that razzmatazz. Used to be a bus station in it as well. We'll pass Moto Rad up here.
Alright.
Quite
So,
a
Willie
few,
in there?
quite a few bikes out the day,
Aye.
You're quicker going down the bypass, but this just breaks up the traffic,
I'll try to come this way and be fair.
Hi there, hi learners and instructor.
Imagine instructor doing a time L place on.
Not all of them are, because the bike that he's on is probably one of the training bikes. You want to go the coastal road and we'll stay off the A1?
Aye.
Roof box melt. Look at me, I'm the outdoor type. I'm adventurous, I bet you are.
Aye, no, you've not got a GSA.
How was that for a controlled stop, Alex? Did you like that?
Aye, not bad.
Right, we'll go straight over here.
Straight over.
I'm going to have to put my feet down. I misread that.
Oh,
It'd help if they would indicate right enough. Oh, so you want to go at the front now, do you? Aye, this is a wee change,
aye.
That was a bit knacker like. Not much left there.
Down the left, down the coast road.
Aye, that's nice, that wee store, So traditional.
Just stop in here for a drink.
If you want, aye. Aye, aye, aye. I will get the chippy down at North Berwick.
Aye.
What are you ducking for?
No,
Why are you going that way?
don't know. Why are you following me?
Aye, I know. Do we normally go to this one or do we go to the one? I don't know, Aye, but no, we come to this one.
Aye. This is tarmac.
Aye. Getting a bit grey now.
That's alright.
we'll get down to North Berwick and get a chippy.
I didn't need up this time.
Oh, smell the chips. This is Aberlady. Hello, church. Open the window.
Oh, cracking view, eh?
It's nice, isn't it? There's the Bass Rock, it's covered in shite. Hi, boys.
Right here, eh?
You've stalled it. You've stalled it.
Aye.
Ah, you're it.
No parking.
Well, it's one of the illegal bikes.
There's no parking.
You're dyslexic. Well, it is herringbone it. If you take it forward and reverse it back at an angle, and I'll come in at the same, just in case a car wants to park up, eh? Side stand. Kick to make sure. It's busy here, isn't it? Look at he's straight out of the 1970s. I think we went back in time. Chippy time, North Berwick style. Oh, I like the sausage. And that's due for the for the ice cream shop. Look at it. Bugger that, eh?
Ice cream?
Aye, the queue for it.
Are you waiting for it?
Aye. I think she needs an ice cream. A white pudding supper. Right, let's get our dinner. Happening? Oh, I've not turned my card on. Eh?
Phone connected.
Switch everything off.
One group member connected.
Oh, it's a fucking pancake. Oh, that's not so good, is it?
Nah.
Shouldn't go flat that quick, should it?
Wouldn't think so. You never had any ignition on or anything, did you?
5 minutes.
We'll switch it off and leave it for 5 minutes. If we turn it off and just leave it and let the battery settle down. Oh well, helmet off. Well, we've relocated. We've got a bit of an issue. Alec doesn't want this to go on YouTube. I think there's something wrong with the battery on the GS. So I've had a rummage about and I've found a bit of power cord. So we're just transferring the electricity from the V-STROM into the GS and hopefully that'll make it go. We have tried to bump start it but it won't bump. So hopefully we'll come back in about 10-15 minutes with a bike that's running. And this place is absolutely heaving.